Hey guys, I'm Ethan Moore from Stockholm Supply. I received an email from Everett a few weeks ago, and we're just trying to nail down. He has some Renault in a bowl that he's turning on his lathe, and one suggestion that I made to him was to recenter the jaws on his chuck. Now, I was looking on YouTube, and I didn't actually see any videos on how to do that, so I'm going to do that right now for you guys who haven't seen that before. It's really simple to do, but the first thing you're going to do is loosen every bolt on, both bolts that are holding the jaw in place. You'll notice when you loosen them ever so slightly, that jaw is going to have a little bit of play, and you can actually twist that back and forth. So if you just go and throw those jaws on your chuck and tighten them up, these jaws may not be perfectly straight. They may be offset a little bit to each other, and that will cause the jaws to not be a perfect circle, and you can get a little bit of wobble then in the chuck. So yeah, first thing you're going to do is loosen all these bolts. Okay, so now that we have them all loosened, you can see that there. We can go ahead. This one I might have a little bit too loose. You don't want it too loose there. You just want it just loose there. We're going to take our chuck key and we're going to tighten these jaws up. Now these will move back and forth, so we're going to tighten that up so the jaws are just touching each other there. So when we tighten that up, that's going to ensure that all those jaws are perfectly square and tight against each other, and that will just mean that this is going to end up being a perfect circle. So once you got it in this position, then you can go ahead and tighten the jaws on. Okay, so we got those all on there. So now all those jaws are perfectly centered to one another there. So whenever you're changing jaws or putting jaws on the chuck for a first time, or if that chuck's just been used for an extended period of time, it's always worth doing that because that'll just make sure everything is perfectly centered and it's going to balance nicely on your lathe. So yeah, there's a little video for you. If anybody else has any questions for me, you can email me at info@stockholmsupply.com or just comment on the video. Thanks for watching.
Ethan?
Yes.
Our astute viewers might notice you are wearing the same shirt
Yes.
as last week. But what they don't know,
Different shorts.
check these out. Woo!
Yeah.
Different shorts.
Dress for the weather you want, not the weather you have.
How warm is it today, Ethan?
It's like 10 degrees, I think. Celsius, not Fahrenheit, so there's that.
I'm cold just looking at you.